Rainbow, I think you're gonna have a really good time with Soldier. He's like the easiest to just aim and shoot.
Oh, no. It's too late to go back.
Oh, she's doing it. Yeah, you're right.
We gotta stick with this. So let's get in really close.
Oh.
Okay.
Actually, I think Rainbow might really like Umbra.
Here. Follow me. Go in this house. Go in this house.
In this house? Okay, we're
go in this house and hide.
it.
Everyone crouch in this house.
Okay.
And then we'll bust out and kill them.
Okay.
I'll heal you from like.
Yeah. Just make sure you stay crouched so they don't hear you. All right. So when they push past you, all right. We're gonna go in 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Of course they're doing the same shit.
Like,
Well,
I am scared.
as of right now, Vox, you're still in the building, but they are a little ahead now. Tiny bit.
That is fine.
They're just like,
we
well, they're
can
still in
kinda
the same
set
spot,
up.
but they're just a little
Yeah,
forward.
they're about to set up on the payload though.
They're,
It's on the
they're about
turn.
to go around the corner.
They're on the turn.
If that
They're on
makes
the turn.
We
sense.
can figure this out. Hi guys. Hi chat. I'm back.
Yeah.
Hi.
We're back.
Welcome back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Shit.
And
I'm so sorry,
Bobo
guys.
needs
I
major
do
healing.
genuinely. I
I
think
need
it's
major
the.
healing.
I think it's the weather. I really do. It's the storm. Like the weather in my area is still really bad.
UK weather, ain't it?
UK weather causing numerous problems.
Oh God.
I got
I
chalky.
need to try to not speak with an accent. I swear to God. This
You have
is
an
bad.
accent?
I have a Scottish accent. God damn it.
I want to hear it.
No.
Come on, Bonnie. Come on.
No.
Come on, Bonnie.
No.
Please, everyone's gonna go toss Godu in the chat.
What, are you scared? My boy, are you scared of talking with a Scottish accent?
Oh, shut the fuck up,
Are
you
you
bloody
scared of
fucking
talking with a Scottish
Yeah,
accent, my boy?
motherfucker, I'm motherfucking you.
What's
Just
wrong
fucking
with
ass.
you? Something
Shut up,
embarrassing about
mate.
a Scottish accent. It's not
Oh, shut up, mate. You're a fucking assassinate. You're a damn bloody assassinate. You got
I'm
no team
sorry,
to
mate. I
fucking
just want to
judge me.
tell you like how it is.
Oh, fuck off, lad.
A Scottish
Just
and
go
a
back in the
British.
game or I'll smack your fucking
I'm
head
getting
in.
back
Just
in the
go
game.
ahead.
Also,
you
my
slow
mod
ass
isn't loaded either. I'm trying to get that.
Okay, guys, Vox is back in the
get
game.
ready, get ready, get ready.
Alright, guys, you're just gonna have to deal with everyone. Wait a minute. You're gonna have to cope
Where's
with. One sec. I'm just getting this set up. Chat, you're gonna have to deal with PNG Vox for a little bit. I hope that's
wait.
okay.